Hey guys, I wanted to explain to those that are new to Kickstarter how to make a purchase and receive our product. When you get to Kickstarter, first thing you need to do is go to the top and type in Volta charger. Then click on our project. Once you're on our page, we suggest you scroll down. Lots of information is on this page, which is related to our product and our project. So there are a lot of product details, etc. If you've already read it, we suggest you scroll down to the price chart. Here is our price chart. Once you've found the package you are interested in purchasing, you'll see its pricing point, which is right beside here. That's the pricing point. Looking through all this pricing, and once you found the right pack that you are after, let's say you are after the 20 pack, one Volta cable plus four charging tips, so which is 58. You can either click this image here or you go to the right top. So this is the right top. All the pledges are on the right. Then you will have to look at the 20. You have to look for 20 pack, which is 58. So here it is. And once you found it, once you found the pledge that you are after, all you need to do is to click on it and select the pledge. Here, you select the right shipping address of the country, then you click continue. Then you come to the checkout. You enter your full name and your card details. It is also very important to remember that Kickstarter is a crowding site. So that's why they do it in a special way. It's not exactly an e-commerce, but every pledge you put into our project, you are going to receive a reward for it. So we reward you for the amount of the money you put into our project after hitting the pledge button. A lot of people ask us, where do I select the cable color and then the connection type? We will send you a final order form at the end of the campaign on the February the 28th. Then you will be able to select the connector type and also select your cable color, so that way you can actually choose the color of your choice for your cable. And then you will also be able to confirm your order details, as for example your address, etc. For now, just sit tight. Your card will not be charged till the end of the campaign, which is the February 27th. If you have any question, just wait till then, or you can actually send us an email at care@voltacharger.com. Thank you all for your support. I hope that this helps. And also, we are grateful to Kickstarter for providing such a great and reliable platform, giving startups like us this opportunity. So we really thank you, all our backers, and we also thank Kickstarter greatly. Thank you so very much for your time.